Okay, we got that off of there. I got the flight sim panel. These are all the boxes for everything. I think I'm actually going to, this is for pretty much all the flight controls. I am going to keep the flight controls and the PC. So if I ever sell this, I will just sell this and it will go in that box and it will get shipped. So that's going to go back in there. This crap's all going to get recycled because I'm not putting everything back in the boxes again. I'm just going to throw it in the back of the car or stick it in a bin, and I'm just going to get it out of here. So what I was going to show you here was the electric or all of the cable management that I've got. This thing is insane. There's just wads of cables coming out of here. So what I was going to show you was this. This thing was my original idea, thinking, oh, this will be great. But you can never, once it's in place, you can never change this. It is what it is, and I'm about to show you why. It's because while the desk is in the upright position, like so, you have to remove this bottom piece. Now watch what happens here. As I'm sliding this off, everything falls out, which is what I want right now. But now I have a cable mat. I can't do that. I could not do that with everything hooked up. So I think I'm going to remove this once I get this desk moved, and I'm going to try a different cable management system because once it's in place, you can't mess with it. It just is what it is, guys. You have to flip it upside down and mess with it. I'm not going to do that again. So that is a future fix coming up right now. I'm going to organize all these wires, and that's pretty much it. That's what I'm going to do.